Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add a bank account in Google Pay. First thing first, download and open the Google Pay app on your mobile. Then sign in with your registered mobile number, which must be linked to your bank. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner and from the menu, select Bank Accounts. On the Bank Accounts page, tap Add Bank Account below the existing lists of any. Now choose your bank from the list shown and Google Pay will now prepare to verify your account. Provide your account number, IFSC code and branch name. Then double-check details to avoid errors. Now Google Pay will verify your details using SMS and missed calls from your phone. You may also be asked for an OTP. Then once the verification is successful, you'll get a confirmation message that your account is linked. You can now send or receive money via Google Pay without needing a debit card. Just note that your mobile number must be the same number registered with your bank, and if verification fails, try again with a strong network connection. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.